Hello and welcome. My name is Ankit. I'm your teacher from Aanav Creations. I am going to start the digital marketing season 2. Next topic, how to stand out from the competition. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As I told you and you've seen in the thumbnail that our topic is how to stand out from the competition in the digital marketing world. So, healthy competition keeps us on our toes and increase our drive for success. In this lesson, we will explore how to identify what makes a business stand out online, why you should be checking out your competitors, and what tools can help you get ahead of the game. Let's start with this question. What makes you stand out? Imagine you own a basketball gear shop, which is a equipment for a basketball game. What would make you brand distinct compared to other sport shops selling basketball equipments as well? Maybe your shop's exterior is painted in bright red, or you have an eye-catching window display, or perhaps you have even hired someone to shoot some hoops outside to grab people's attention as they walk by. As a physical store, you need to stand out. The same is true in the digital world, as you say, digital marketing world. When we identify what makes us different from the competition online, we call that our unique selling point or USP. A unique selling point or USP is a clear statement that describes the benefits you offer, how you might solve your customer needs, and what distinguishes you from the competition. Four key questions to ask yourself when defining your USP are: who is my target audience? Who are my competitors in this digital world? What problems does my target audience have and how can I solve them? Once you ask this question to you, you can piece together a concise statement that incorporates the answer. Here are some points to remember. Speak in human voice. Be as natural and relatable as you can. And next step, you need to identify. Shout about it. Your USP should be displayed on your website, social media, and the other marketing material. A good USP won't appeal to everyone, but that's okay. Build a USP that is tailored and speaks directly to your targeted audience. Another thing to consider while working on your USP is your strengths and weaknesses. To do this, use a SWOT analysis, which will help ensure business decisions are well informed to you. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Ask yourself, what is it we are good at? These are four strengths. What can we do better? These are your weaknesses. How can we grow, change, and improve? These are your opportunities. What is happening or could happen both internally and externally that might affect us negatively? Those are the threats of your business in the digital marketing world. While constructing your USP, it's a good idea to check what the competition is up to. When starting a competitor analysis, make sure to utilize the free tools available online. Start with search engines, which can offer the most immediate answers to you. Simply search for your key terms and make a note of who appears in the top results of search engines for your product or service, which keywords appear on their websites and which are not. That is, what words are they using in the page titles on their websites? What messagings they use on their social media accounts? Another way to stay up to date with what competitors are doing is through signing up to alerts systems. Free tools like Google Alerts show you how and who is talking about certain topics online, so they help you keep your fingers on the pulse. Try setting up alerts for key products or services as well. Your business and competitor's name, you need to identify that. You will then receive notifications when the terms you enter are discussed online and be able to see how your business or the business you work for compares. Let's take a look at how these tips can be applied for. To help you stand out alone online, my name is Arpita Ganesh and she told us I am the founder and owner of Buttercup's Intimates. I was on a holiday in New York and I went for an undergarment fitting and it pretty much changed my life in that city. So I came back to India, researched and realized that there really is no brand that focuses on sizes. The way we usually get found, and this is something key with our SEO, is that we are problem solvers when it comes to the undergarments. If anybody is looking, especially in India, for any woman is looking, say, undergarment problem, we will be the first to come up. AdWords give us competitive analysis, so we also know that our competition is spending so much on this word in this digital marketing. Let's not spend on that word, let's spend on the other word which is more interesting to the people. Because of all the details that we collect from the analytics, our campaigns become much more focused to our audience only. So it's very relevant, which means we get better return on our money. So what makes you different online? Use the tips from this lesson to find out what your competition is doing and use a SWOT analysis to identify what makes you stand out online. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button and raise your queries in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day.